Okay, now that you've learned how to create a collection, I'm going to show you a couple of different things you can do with those collections. So again, I'm already in collections. It's right here. If you're not already in it, but you are in Follett Destiny, I'm going to go to my private collections, and so I can look at a couple of different things. Maybe I want to do something with these culinary books that I've put together. So these are like basically the cookbooks and things that we have over culinary that I might want to share this with the culinary teachers. So in order to share a collection, you click on this little icon right here, and you have to choose what do you want them to be able to do. Do you want them to just be able to view it, see what's there, or do you want them to be able to edit it? So if you were a teacher, you could share it with other teachers within your subject area, and you could all add to a collection and edit it. If you're just wanting people to see what's there, you can give them that right to view. So you would take that link, you would copy it, and then you could email it to them, share it with them, whatever you wanted to do. So I'm going to click done on that. Some other things that you can do with your collection, if you click on these three dots right here, a couple of different things. You can again edit it if you want to add things to it. You can copy it, can delete it. You can see what kind of activity has been done, who's viewed it. So let's see what kind of activity. So it shows, yeah, it shows different things that I've done to that. And then I'm going to go back here, and this is what I really like. This is really cool. You can create a PDF of this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And it'll take a little time, I think, to create this. Maybe. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so here's my culinary book. So I'm just going to save that to my desktop. And now it's downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and show you what it looks like when you open it. This is really cool because it creates a QR code that your students, or if you're a student, you can just scan it and go directly to that link. So that's pretty cool that you can see it. It just kind of does a list of everything that's in there with like a little brief summary of what that book is about. And so I think that's a really kind of cool thing that you can do with these collections. So just a couple of advanced things that you could add to that. Again, these are all books, but again, you could add links to a website, add a URL, anything like that with your collection.